Hey guys, welcome back. As you can probably tell from the title, today we're going to be sawing up some basswood into lumber. I've just got the mill warming up now, but we're going to throw a log or two onto the mill here, cut that up into lumber. I'm assuming it might be something not a lot of people have seen cut up into lumber because, quite honestly, it is not a good wood for cutting into lumber or firewood or really anything except carving. Carving's one of the only things that I know it's good for. The reason that we're just going to cut it into lumber anyways is we have so much of it on the farm, you can't really use it for anything. So we're just going to cut some into lumber, and there's a couple walls in our barn that we just want to have some boards on for a bit of extra strength, and we're just going to throw it on there, see what happens, because we don't really care about it too much, to be honest. So stick around, and if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, we're going to get started. Well guys, there's one of the basswood logs sawn up. I mean, it's what you'd expect. It's nothing really special lumber wise, but it's just gonna go into one of the barns here at the farm. 2x6s, that's the name of the game for this stuff. I got 2 there and 2 leaning up over here. So that's 4 out of that first log. I think that's the smallest log out of them all, so should be looking pretty good. And just as I'm finishing that one up, here comes some more supply, so that'll be keeping me busy. Maybe I can get him to throw that up on bunks, because I don't have my camp buck here. Hey guys, it's the next morning since I was cutting that basswood last night. We ended up getting 17 2x6s cut up. But my camera cut out, so sorry I wasn't able to track that any better. Sorry, just heard a partridge fly off. But anyways, I thought it'd be good to show you how this is going to start in the cold. I'm not even that sure. It's about minus 21 Celsius, which is about minus 6 Fahrenheit. Which I know a lot of places get way colder than that. It even gets colder than that around here, but this is going to be the coldest I've actually tried starting the mill up in when it's been sitting all night, so kind of interested to see how that goes. I haven't touched anything on it yet, so I'm going to hop right into that and see how it goes here. I'm still not great at knowing how to use this choke, but I just got her on full bore right now. Almost. If I knew how to use this choke better, I'd probably have it going now. Probably learn how to use this choke better and get it going easier, but still started, so I'm pretty happy with that. But I'm gonna have to let her warm up for a while, and I'll get back to you then. Well guys, guys, the mill's warmed up. I got about a 15-inch diameter basswood log on here, so I'm gonna get her cut up and see what we get out of it. Well, there's what it's looking like so far, guys. It's actually a really nice clear wood. There's hardly any knots in this stuff anyways. This stuff's going up to the barn right away, so I'm just going to stack it here and we'll pick her up with the tractor when I'm done for the day. Well, there's 6 boards cut. Get another log thrown up on here and continue on. Well guys, I almost blocked myself in there. I started stacking the lumber in front of the snowmobile, didn't even think about it, but luckily I got it out of there before I got too big of a stack of lumber. And my dad just came in here. He was going to bring in some more logs for me, but if any of you aren't from a cold weather area, a lot of the older diesel engines, you have to plug them in the block heater overnight or else they won't start, which happened to us last night. It was plugged in, but I guess just not far enough or something, so it wasn't on, so it wouldn't fire up this morning. So we got it plugged in now, but it won't. It's about 10:30 now. It's not gonna fire up till after lunch, so I'm gonna get this last log that I have in here cut up. Then after lunch we'll bring the 1640 back, bring in some more logs and continue on. Alright guys, there's 2 logs cut up. I ended up with 11 2x6s so far. I keep calling them 2x6s. They're actually 7 1/4 wide by 1 3/4 thick. That's just what we're making them. I guess when you have a sawmill, you can make them whatever dimensions you want, and that's what's going to work out for the project we're using them for. So now I basically have to wait for the John Deere 1640 tractor block heater to warm up so I can bring it back and get some more logs in here. In the past, I would have just took the side-by-side up and dragged them in, but we have too much snow for that now. It can barely drive through the snow by itself, let alone drag logs. So that's why I'm using the snowmobile to get in here now. But anyways, once the tractor gets warmed up and we are bringing some logs back in here, I'll catch you then. Well, we got the tractor going. We got one log up here, and that's just gonna bring me in a few more, and I'm gonna get started cutting. Starting all over again. Well guys, I just ran out of gas and my blade's getting a little dull too, and it's near the end of the day, so I think I'm just going to come back in the morning with some gas, put a fresh blade on and continue on. Well guys, finished up cutting that basswood, got 30 more 2x6s to go with the approximately 30 that I've already cut up. It's already taken up to the front, so that'll give us about 60, which should be enough for the project we have planned. Anyways, that's going to be everything for me today. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.